Hey everybody, this is Dr. Alvin Miles with the Miles Management Minute for today. You don't have to be perfect. You can find role models to help you to get there. The amount of time we spend on LinkedIn and Facebook and Instagram is incredible, and it appears to be growing. And what I've found is in the area of finance, in the area of health, in the area of business, career, as well as your personal life, we all see people that we want to emulate. We want to be like. We want to be more like those people. And what I'm asking you to do is the same thing I tell my executive clients. Look at this in a different way. I suggest to you that when you, for example, look at someone on LinkedIn and follow them and really like the content they're putting out, look at them in terms of making yourself better. Not only in consuming their content, but how they're doing it, how they're projecting. Personally, I like Tony Robbins. I love his communication style. And there's certain things that I would prefer that I were better at. For example, I feel like I'm good at projecting my voice, but I'm not always good at the smile, not always good at internalizing what it is I'm going to say so that it comes off very, very smooth. So what I started doing was watching Tony Robbins videos, understanding really the focus that he gives and the way he projects and puts his stuff out there. And I started to try to be more like him, to emulate him in the area of communication. Now, I'm certain that Tony does a lot of other things very well, and those things I feel like I'm already doing well on my side, so I don't need to emulate that. No one needs to have one role model for everything in their lives, unless of course it's, family or parents, etc. But overall, what I want to leave you with today is, number one, find a role model in the area you want to get better at. For me, it was communication. The role model I found was Tony Robbins, as I mentioned before. Number two, look at what they do through their videos or audios, if you don't have videos, or their writing in the way that they write, and break it down in a way that you can understand, you can decompose it, you can reverse engineer it, and you can get better at it. So find you a role model, watch what they do, listen to what they do, watch how they write, emulate what they do, and do it over and over again, and you, my friends, will be better than what you are today at that particular skill. Dr. Alvin Miles here, telling you that you don't have to be perfect, but it does help when you have a role model, and there are plenty of them out there. Choose one, try your best, and get better. Feel free to leave me comments in the section below, and I'd love to hear what you're focused on, who your role model happens to be, and which area you want to get better at. Until next time, you don't have to be fantastic. You don't have to be great. You just have to be the greatest version of you. Take care.